Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Facebook like button sound. So if you want to turn off sound of Facebook like button, so that each time you like or reacted to a Facebook post, the like button sound will not be heard, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off Facebook like button sound, all you need to do is go ahead and put a Facebook application. Click on the menu icon at the top right or at the bottom right, depending whether you're using Android or iPhone. Now locate and click on the GR settings icon at the top right, or scroll down, click on settings and privacy, select settings, scroll down the settings page, keep scrolling until you get to media, click on that, then under media locate sound. Now if in-app sound is disabled, that shows you've disabled your Facebook like sound. But if this is enabled, your Facebook like sound is going to be enabled. So you see that? Now to turn it off, just need to repeat the process. Click on menu, click on settings, scroll down, locate and click on media, and then turn off in-app sound. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off sound on Facebook like button. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.